Mr. Jackson cuts his grass after church on his tractor, only after listening to the country countdown. He remembers all the 3-chord sessions, giving lessons, never guessing we'd go from dive bars to sold out. He just smiles, can't help but grin when he turns that dial on the FM. Here's an old friend, he can't believe it. Ain't that what it's all about, what it's all about, yeah. All I wanna do is make my hometown proud, make them turn it up loud, roll them windows down. All I wanna do is make my hometown proud, gonna give them that sound everybody's talking about. We still them same old Southern boys, still got that same old Southern voice. We're singing now. All I wanna do is make my hometown proud, make my hometown proud, make my hometown proud. All the whining through the years, all the grinding of the gears, all the passion and the tears, man, it paid off. All the places that we see, all the people that we meet, it still feels like a dream that we're living